Hey guys, this is the 2015 Toyota RAV4 Limited. It has low kilometers, one owner, no accidents. It only has 55,000 kilometers. Now let's take a look inside. As you can see, this is actually really well accessorized with a cargo liner to protect your trunk. It has a cargo net for all the small things you can just throw in there without having them fall around your trunk and make a bunch of noise. As you see, both of the seats fold down and it's a 60-40 split. The real nicely appointed interior. Now let's take a look in from the driver's seat. There's ample back seat space, and look at that, the great floor mats there, leather seating. Power driver seat, power windows, power locks, backup camera, and a sunroof. Sorry, it's just a little rainy down here in the BC wet coast, Vancouver. Dual climate control, heated seats, heated windshield wiper, auxiliary, eco mode, sport mode, cup holders, sport mode. This has a 6-speed automatic. It has Bluetooth. There you go. Take a look at that. 56,193 kilometers. Power mirrors. It has a cool carbon fiber texture for the interior here. It gives it a nice hip look. Makes it look more modern. Just come on down to Willowbrook Chrysler and see it for yourself in person.